and welcome to another edition of Fun Style Friday. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. So as you can see, I'm still on my haircation and I'm still rocking my passion twist. So this is going to be another passion twist edition of Fun Style Friday. So if you'd like to see how I style my passion twist, continue to watch the video. But don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so that you're notified each time that I post. Okay, so for this first style, I'm going to part my hair down the middle. I will be using some hair ties for this style. For this style, I will be braiding my twist on both sides. So once I get down to the end of the braid, I'm going to be using my hair ties to hold the braid in place, and this will be my look for the first style. So now I have two fun casual braids for my first style. Okay, so now I'm going to use my two braided pigtails to create my second style, and I'm just going to create a very quick and easy updo. So I'm going to take one side and kind of tuck it into the twist on the other side, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other braid. And this is just going to create a very easy and simple updo style. And this is style number 2. For the next style, I'm just going to take a scarf and just wrap it around the top of my twist. I'm just going to go ahead and tie it and create a cute turban headscarf type look for my twist. So this is my third look using a headscarf over my twist. And I'm just going to have some fun with this scarf just to give an idea of the different ways that you can wear the scarf over the twist. So now I'm going to take the scarf off and show you my favorite style while wearing these twists. So normally I like to do a side part and just have most of my twists hanging to one side. And this has been my favorite look throughout the passion twist journey. Another go-to of mine has been to just grab some twists on each side and tie it behind my head. So this just keeps my twist away from my face, and it also gives it a nice, neat look, especially for work. So I thank you again for tuning in to another edition of Fun Style Friday featuring Passion Twist. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked the video, please make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and now Twitter. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.